Hello traders, welcome to live stream. Am I audible to you? Is everything clear? Let me know. Ranjit Babu sir, second like. Okay. Is the audio clear? Let me know traders. Good evening everyone. Okay, welcome to the live stream. Yes, I'm well. Thank you, Grey Matter sir. Hope you're doing well too. Okay, there's still 7 minutes for 7 o'clock. So quickly, I will just share my view. Recently, we can see this trend line is acting as support 1, support 2, support 3, and support 4. Same way on top, we have some resistance level as well. Okay, so this resistance 1, 2, 3, 4. So continuously, this area is acting as resistance, this area is acting as support. Now, I personally feel market at the zone, I'm considering this price level. Let's say let me make this center. This price level as of now, it might act as a supporting zone in the market. Okay. You see previously market was forming, recent times what market is forming, low, high, higher low, higher low and higher high. Here continuously this area is acting as resistance. So there is a possibility of breakout. So I'm just waiting for the US market to open in case it is staying below this zone. Only if it goes below this zone, then maybe market can target these people. But initial stage, I expect even if market corrects, it has a chance of moving towards the upside. This is what I'm thinking right now. I know on a higher time frame, what is the market doing? Market is forming lower highs and lower lows, and it is downtrend. And continuously after Trump's speech, the entire global market, everything is kind of bearish itself. If you look at Dow Jones also, it is minus 2.8%. S&P 500, Nasdaq, still data has to come. Let's see, let's compare all the charts, and based on that, if there is any interesting setup, we will look into it. Okay. Sheila Muthu ma'am, good evening. Rajesh Kumar sir, Dheeraj sir, hello, welcome to the live stream. Everyone, if you have not liked the live stream yet, please do that. It would support the channel. Ganesh Arvind sir, Akshay, thank you everyone for joining the live stream. Now, why at this level I'm not planning for bearish trade is because this area, you see, this is the recent swing. You consider that as swing high, swing low. Market is facing resistance somewhere near 618 level itself, right? Continuous move, pullback. 618 level is kind of ideal level for market to correct. All those things on a higher trend is saying bearishness, but lower trend is saying there is continuous resistance here. So to trap the market can make a momentum. 7 o'clock move, 7:15. By then it can make a move. If I enter any random trade, I might end up giving a loss here, right? So with that logic, I'm not planning for any bearish trade, even though market continuously it is facing resistance at the zone. Any update on the price action course? It will come, sir. It will come. Everything what I'm teaching here only is kind of price action stop loss hunting concept itself, right? But there it will be in a order sequence, and here every day in live market situation I'm speaking about price action stop loss hunting. Good evening, Gopinath sir, crazy creator, welcome. Good evening, BTC did a lot of movement since last night. I feel it will just consolidate. Consolidation after a long weekend, I don't think so. You had this market and all on Friday, it has fallen severely. So expectation another 5% and all market might not fall today. So maybe tomorrow, I think Fed meeting is there tomorrow, minutes of meeting. So during that time, maybe again they might decide not to cut any interest rate because of what Trump has done. Last time, uh, Fed chairman was saying, okay, there is a possibility, data and all is suggesting that we can cut the interest rate, but we will do it next time. But after what Trump has done, definitely there is no proper sync between Trump and uh, Fed chairman, Jerome Powell. So, of course, their mindset might be to pause the interest rate again. This might create some kind of problem. As per EMA strategy, no trade zone. Okay. EMA, EMA as of now, it is also showing some bearish sign itself. Yeah, no trade as of now. This red line and all has to come down. But if you see, 50 moving average is moving up, 100 moving average is kind of below. Initially when the trend is moving changing, okay, continuously it was downtrend, but when trend is changing, 50 EMA is the first one which will move towards the upside. As of now, there is no trading opportunity as per the strategy, but based on US market open, there might be one opportunity. We'll look into that. Solana view, can we take long trade? Solana. Solana also is similar like this one itself. BTC. You see market as of now it is kind of in a no trading zone itself, and from the top the sellers are strong, they have put pressure, and market is facing rejection somewhere near 618 level. If it breaks this level, this high, then maybe you can consider, not at this point of time. All right, at this point of time there's no bullish opportunity. Ethereum. Ethereum also somewhat similar range. You can see this is acting as resistance. Market is kind of forming left shoulder, head. We cannot say exactly this is a bullish head and shoulder, but it is forming some kind of movement similar to that. Okay, now it is failing the right shoulder. Maybe it can move towards the upside. The sellers who are here also they have continuously moved the market. So all the index, it is saying that only if there is a breakout opportunity you look for bullish trade. Okay, the current zones whatever is there, if market gives a breakout above that level, look for bullish trade. Until then, no bullish trade in the market. Now this was continuous support. Okay, market has broken this support. Now this is the recent correction where market has formed a M pattern and it has corrected. Now I personally feel market has not yet broken this zone. Up to 618, 786 level correction it has done. There is any opportunity for me, sometimes I will try to enter the trade a bit early, right? So here I'm going to plan one entry. Okay, I'm going opposite to the market condition and all those things on a higher time frame, but here any strong movement is there, I just want to try to capture that. Okay, so I've entered a bullish trade. No need to give bigger stop loss here. My entry is already over. Okay, so for this, quickly, I don't want to place stop loss target and all. Whatever movement, quick movement we get, we have to try to capture that. That is all I am thinking. Stop loss is not required up to this zone. I'll get it lower. Okay, and for this trade, From that time I was saying, right, I'm considering this area as support. If market goes below the support zone, fine, I'll be a bit bearish about the market. Until then, I'm just trying to capture a decent move. 1 is to 2 risk reward, no need up to this zone is fine for me. I've already placed the target also for this trade. Whoever is thinking of taking a bearish trade, you need to wait until the support. Okay, as of now there is no bearish trade opportunity. Let the market go below this level, then you can focus on bearish trade. Sir, Ethereum is profitable for long term. See, I don't hold anything for long term. All my trade is on day to day basis. I close the trade. I do not consider crypto as any crypto, let it be BTC, Ethereum, whatever it is, how much ever it has moved in the past. I do not try to go and hold those things because I have no interest. For trading, it is good because you are getting nice leverage. You can trade in the futures market, all these benefit you have. So that with that interest, I'll take the trade, right? Apart from that, for investment perspective, it's and all, I'm not the right person to speak to. See, from swing low to swing high, I've drawn the Fibonacci level only with the recent swing. Okay, market somewhere near 786 level, it has taken support. It has given a breakdown. It has attracted people. So to trap them, a quick movement towards the upside. That is all I'm focusing on. I'm not planning for any very big targets in the market. Right? Targets is very small in this particular trade, or else anyways I'm planning for 1 is to 2 risk reward here. Based on the movement, if I get the move, then quickly I will plan my exit. Global market, everything is kind of negative at this point of time. Still this data is not yet updated. I don't know what is happening here. Let this data get updated. This entire zone is the support zone. Okay, but for this trade, since this candle alone, the movement is big, I cannot keep bigger stop loss. Just near the zone only I've kept the stop loss. In case the stop loss hit, it's okay. Still I'll wait until the support zone. If market goes and sustain, only then bearish trade. Until then, market has, even if it comes to the support from here, after hitting the stop loss, it can move up. That possibility is there. Maybe this will take the small stop loss now. It has taken the small stop loss, no problem. Still market is at the support zone itself. Anyone who's interested to take a bearish trade, I'm not going to stop you, but I personally will not take a bearish trade at this point of time. I know there's a 618 level resistance and things like that, but one pullback is kind of pending based on price action stop loss hunting concept. So that is something which I'm waiting for. Even if I have to take a bearish trade, there has to be a proper pullback. So that is, I'll wait for some time. I've not taken any second trade as of now. Vaishnav sir, good evening. Welcome to the live stream. What is this data saying? So everything is bearish. Sentiment is bearish. So who wants to go as per the sentiment? This upside move, what I'm waiting for, might not suit you, right? So you have to wait for your setup. Only upside move opportunity is what I'm looking for. For that, small stop losses I'm ready to give. This is a support zone I'm taking into consideration as of now. Breakdown here, market is showing some bearishness. If it gives a breakdown here also, I don't know how much I can trust the bearishness. So any pullback opportunity if I'm getting, I'll see, look into that. Bearish traders, I think you have to wait for a bit. If you want to take the bearish trade, it's entirely up to you. But I'll not be taking any bearish trade at this point of time. What is this? Is it showing the right data? Here data is not coming properly. Breakdown done, everything done here. So I'm taking one more trade here. Okay, this is a risky trade. You can consider. Who doesn't want to consider, do not consider. Okay, because I'm trying to do opposite of what many people are doing at this point of time. Okay, many people are bearish at this point of time, but I'm kind of trying to see if there is any opportunity to capture the stop loss of people who are bearish. So my working is based on price action and stop loss hunting. So this is my second attempt. This attempt also, it might fail. Only post going below the support zone, maybe I will be focusing on bearish trade. At this point of time, I will not be doing that. You see, this area is a support. Market has broken this area. Anyone who has taken bearish trade, maybe small stop loss they would have kept. Market little liquidity is there. Any pullback if it gives also, the idea is to capture that moment alone. Okay, this candle is kind of strong. This candle is showing continuation. This also is strong. So as long as one green candle break this level, little difficult it will be, but I have entered because it is near this supporting zone. Okay, so near the supporting zone I've taken the entry. Not necessary others have to enter, because I'm trying to look for a pullback opportunity in the market. Usually whenever I take the trade, I believe I will tell you chances is 50-50%. Sometimes based on the probability it will be 70-80%. Now this setup probability is 50-50% only. So who wants to wait, please wait for some more time. Complete bearishness. Continuously third day, is it? Market is bearish. Almost near the stop loss. Okay, two attempts I had done to try to capture a pullback movement. Both the attempt has failed. So two times market has proved me wrong at this point of time. Sentiment is very strong. It is bearish. It has given a breakdown from the support zone also. So everything has happened opposite to what I was looking at the market as of now. So let us see. Next trade, I'm not going to quickly jump into it. I'll wait for some more time. The 618 level market respected and it corrected nicely, but my expectation was it will trap the people at the upper level. That did not happen. It's okay, part of trading, what to do. Post me exiting if movement comes, that would be a bit disappointing, but each trade, that was the maximum risk I could take. So I've taken that risk. Inform many people. In case you're not interested, don't plan for bearish trade, bullish trade at this point of time. You have to wait for some time. Some people might ask, can I enter a bearish trade? Market has gone below the support zone. But one problem we have here, traders. Here, these buyers are there. This movement, what has happened in the market is a healthy movement. Okay. This movement is a healthy movement. Okay, market is correcting and all those things. At this zone breakdown, I expected at this zone breakdown market will correct, but it has gone up to this zone. So if it corrects from this zone, again one issue we will have. So randomly also we cannot enter just because the global market is bearish and market is near 618 level, Fibonacci level also. All of these things we need to factor in. Now I'll just put a poll here. Okay, please tell me what is your view. Participate in the poll. Please share your view about the market so that everyone get a better understanding of what many people are thinking right now. My view is not bearish still at this point of time. Whoever wants to take bearish trade, no one is stopping you right now. You can take it. Absolutely. This bigger gap down opening is a problem, that I will agree. I think it is in sync with the US market. Okay. US market is very strongly bearish again, right? That is a valid point. There's the potential of £600. Traders, I'm taking one more trade. If you're not interested, you can completely avoid to take any trade, like I said already. Okay. I feel that there is a pullback pending. Market has corrected nicely. Many people are bearish about the market. My view is kind of, from that time I'm looking for pullback. You want to avoid taking trade, you can do that, entirely up to you, right? So here market has corrected up to 50% from this move, 618 level. Also market was not able to break. So I feel there is going to be a decent move towards the upside. Already I have taken the entry. Sometimes the entry point also becomes a problem for us, right? Little late if I enter also. Each candle is 200, minimum 300, 400 points movement. So because of that also I might get into trouble. But now I think I'm kind of okay. From 4.5, 4.6 it is reducing to 4. Little stop loss we will reduce. Target is 77,500, which is the previous resistance. Okay. Stop loss little below this previous candle only I have kept. And yeah, entry price is somewhere here. who is having a bearish view, those of you who mentioned in the poll, right, your view is bearish, I'm completely taking opposite trade of what you guys are thinking. Already small two losses I have made, right, doing the same thing. So if your view is bearish, you stick to that, because I'm completely looking at the market in a different way, right? So let's say market it attracted some people, it corrected. After that, this was the supporting zone. Okay, this was the area. Market gave a breakdown here. It broke this level and it has come to 0.5618 level. So all of these levels, more if market falls, it can be an issue. At least a pullback or something like that is required for the market, because here it was not retail traders who pushed the market towards the upside. It was the big player. Market has corrected in a decent way. So if it continues the up move, then at least up to this zone it can move, right? That's my view. Based on that, I have taken this trade. So $75 profit, stop loss little I will reduce, $69. As of now, it is 1:1 risk reward for my entry. Is there any audio problem? Are you guys are having any audio problem? Hello sir, I think up to 75,300 it will be bearish. Okay. See, if you are having audio problem, all you have to do is close this live stream, reopen. Most of the time that issue gets resolved. Okay. When I watch live streams also, sometimes I have that issue where the voice cut. All those things happen. Okay. Vijay sir, you can try that. Okay. Is there any point in giving bigger stop loss? No, right? I will reduce that. So risk is $40 for this trade. Reward is 1:2, 1,200 points. So little more I will reduce the stop loss. So for me, this became a risk-free trade. $10 is the risk. Did anyone enter the trade along with me? It's almost there, near the target. Okay. So this is going to be a risk-free trade. Whatever happens, I'll take $40 in this. My target, I'll just trail and go, right? Here I have kept, but this is the ideal target. Who wants to exit at this resistance? You can do that. Entirely up to you. I'll reduce my loss. So whatever happens in this trade, I'll take $77. Okay. Target done. So stop loss trail. So as of now, $200 is the profit. Whoever wants to book, you can book. Entirely up to you, traders. Finally, all the loss also has been recovered if I exit the trade at this zone. But anyways, two small stop loss I gave. Whatever happens, I'll take home $129. All my risk is recovered in this particular trade. Okay. So now whatever happens, $161. If it gives a proper closing, it will be better. So whoever entered along with me, you would have captured around 1,300 points already. So in the comment section, if you're booked, not booked, you're holding, whatever is the case, let me know, traders. 30 seconds more for this candle to close. Whoever wants to book, you can book. Booked. Now it's fine, sir. Okay. Cool. Holding. Dheeraj sir, cool. Yes, I did. My target hit. Do you think there is some more juice? I'm thinking juice is up to this zone. I think so. I can be wrong. Already 2 times I've been wrong. It's all about probability, traders. It's all about probability. For me, probability was it was upside. When I got the setup, I took the setup. That's it. Or maybe it will go up to 786 level. I'm not advising anyone to take fresh trade. Okay. Our entry is here. If you say now shall I take fresh trade, it's entirely up to you. Your stop loss has to be here. Whoever's taking fresh trade. Very small stop loss. Or it has to be below this candle. This green candle is there, right? Below this, you can place your stop loss and try your luck. For us, things are different. Who entered along with me? So for me, as of now, my target is achieved and I'm just holding the trade. That's all to capture additional move. Thank you. Entered with you and booked $20. Okay. Small losses also we have made, right? First trade around $40, second trade around $50, something I have given. Everything is recovered and along with that we are making profit here. What happened to global market? See, people who missed opportunity, right? The first day, second day when US market was negative. What will be their mindset? Their mindset will be, okay, market opened with bigger gap down. I will plan for more. I'll plan today also market. I missed the opportunity. Last bearish setup. Again, next day bearish setup came. I missed that. Again, today market is giving bearish setup. Let me enter. It created some attraction. I'm sure in Nasdaq, S&P 500 and all, market would have given a breakdown, attracted them. Only then this movement is happening. The required liquidity the market got. Target already done. All these things what we are getting is bonus. $181 already. Whatever happens, I'll be booking in this trade. Around 51 seconds. Miss the trade. Okay. It's okay, sir. If you missed, next time we will see it, sir. Okay. So now I'm going to trail my stop loss here to this candle. Whoever entered, small stop loss for you also. This might be a good opportunity. Let this candle close quickly. What moment, traders? Juice is up to this zone. Okay. I'm saying juice is up to this zone. 78,200, but I'm extending my target. Okay. Don't extend the target if you're not understanding why I'm doing that. You see, where $260 no matter what. From $260 profit, next I'm targeting $350. Already $299 profit. Below this candle is my stop loss. Juice. How many of you captured? How much points you captured? Let me know. From the time we entered, market has given 2000 points. Now, though, I'm saying no, there is less juice. Okay. The sellers who are here, they are strong, but in case they give up, additional move I might get. That's why below this candle only I've kept stop loss. Someone I said for people, okay, here you can enter placing stop loss below this candle. I think this candle alone only would have given you what? Close to 300, 350 points. If you include the next candle also, that gave around 300 points. So what is happening here? See, when you capture the from this certain things, you guys have to understand. I was ready to give one stop loss here, but it was as per my capacity. Again, I was ready to give here as per my capacity. Again, I splitted my stop loss into small portions so that I can capture bigger movement. Okay. So it is not about how many trades you are successful. It is about how much you are going to capture out of series of trades. Okay. Now, whatever happens in this trade, I'm going to book $285. Market is already coming to the target zone. Let me push it little more. You might say I'm greedy. I'm not greedy. I'm just happy to take $285 home. Rest and all, whatever market is giving me is bonus. I hope you're understanding that. 20 seconds more. Should I trail? Let me trail to 50% of this candle. Plan is to take at least $300 today. So around 21,000. It's decent. So now whatever happens, I will take $300. I think. Yeah, $306 is my profit for this trade. All this is bonus for us traders. Okay, all this is bonus. How is my Indian market trade today? I will show you. Simply extend this. Whatever happens, I'm going to book around $329 in this trade. As of now, it is showing 365. How many of you booked the profit? How many of you booked the profit and exited already? This 1.5 minute I have to wait. That is one issue. This target also market reached. So my profit as of now, whoever exited here, 2,300 points. Okay. I've taken the stop loss. So it was actually a very good trade for us. So let me tell you how much in this particular trade. So in this particular trade, close to after recovering all the losses, okay, after recovering that close to $100 loss, still I made 17,000 in this trade. So anyone, if you have taken 100 quantity also for this move, you would have captured around $220. $220 is, thank you sir, done for today. 20 USD closing. Okay, what about others? Exited around 2,000 points. Very good. What about others? Okay, let me tell you how was my Indian market. My Indian market was pathetic. Okay, market gave a breakout. I expected that market, I don't know, this level was very strong. So expectation was from this zone market will correct, from this zone it will correct, but it was staying within a range. So during this time, I said, okay, market is not a good giving any good opportunity for anyone who's in the market right now, right? So where is this update? When it went according to the view also, I had said this, market is not interesting to trade. How long can we wait? So too much sideways the market was. So once I lost interest, I just waited for 25 minutes, I think 30 minutes, somewhere here. This level when market broke, I exited. This was the resistance zone. Once the resistance was broken, I exited. After that, yes, the concept of what you learned in the Stop loss hunting course worked. One index breakdown, other index coming to support, later market recovery. But I did not participate in the second trade, not because of any other reason. I just thought, okay, today market for me, now later point of time I can say here this was a good opportunity, but at that point of time this was a good opportunity for me, so I booked loss here, not bigger loss. I traded with less quantity because already I had told in the morning itself, I'm going to trade with less quantity because of the market condition. I'm trading opposite to the market sentiment, right? So there we booked, but here nice moment we were able to capture. Exited in first trade. Exited in first trade. Okay. The comment section, let me know, traders, how did your setup go? What was it? Were you able to capture a nice moment? How much moment did you capture? I think Friday also we captured nice moment. Saturday in our free Telegram group, I had discussed about the setup. I don't know where. Yeah, the setup. Where is it? Okay. The setup in I had entered here. This update already in the crypto community group I had posted. Where is that? So yeah, when market was here, I took the entry. This is the stop loss. Entry was there. This was the target. So for many people, they do not wait. Okay, today I waited for target, right? Like that, many people will not wait. So I gave different exit levels. This is the first exit level, second exit level, third exit level. I exited somewhere at second target level itself. I did not wait until final target because market was a bit choppy at this zone, and time was already close to 12 o'clock, 12:15. I wanted to spend time with family, so I completely closed the trade. Okay, so like that update also Saturday I have given. That was a nice moment, and on Friday also we have made decent profit. Hopefully whatever profit we have made today, we need to protect that and use that for the next series of trades until we capture the next bigger moment. Okay. Now quickly I'll do one thing. I'll conduct a poll. Okay, this poll I will see. Many people were bearish about the market, so usually we tend to do opposite of what many people think. So when the plan works out, I hope you understand what kind of movement will be able to capture, right? In the poll, let me know how many of you captured the move, how many people did not. Those of you who's watching the live stream, if you made use of the updates, whatever I have shared, please support the channel, traders. I try my best to explain complicated topics as simple as possible so that even a beginner can understand. And also, I even though the views is very less in English channel, still I try to do things only in English, right? So only reason is because I need to support people where they want, who do not understand Hindi. To a certain extent I can speak Hindi, I can manage, but still I don't want to do it in Hindi because I want to support people who's there in south, also in north many people speak English. So combination of every people I'm trying to attract, and I'm trying to explain the concepts. So support the channel, traders. Sir, how much capital required for me to take the lot same as your quantity? See here, if I want to enter, very simple, 150, put 150. For you requirement is $254, 230, sorry, 2 235 USD, to INR if you consider 20,000. So with 20,000 we made close to 40, 45. I think, yeah, close to 35k we made profit today. Okay, $320 captured. Very good. Even I captured $320, but I'm saying my profit after that small losses what I took. First target. Okay, cool. So happy to know at least more than 65% of the people have captured the moment. Really happy for you guys. So now what is the market condition? Market condition as of now, the expected movement what I want I have got. Now all this is just, you know, market attracted people. Later it would have hunted the stop loss. Let me show it to you if you don't trust me. Here market gave a breakdown. After this breakdown, one green candle. Okay, after that one more bearishness on a 5 minutes time frame, then quickly stop loss hunting. Market is trying to fill this gap. Okay, this is about Nasdaq. Let me show you S&P 500 also. There's no requirement for us to go and look at those chart. Okay, based on the sentiment only we can understand. Gap down, people will have very less interest to quickly enter. Random people would have entered. Continuation, market created liquidity, hunted their stop loss. Okay, so here what is there? A psychological level is there. So consider that if market breaks that level, still views bearish, it will correct. So what about based on global market sentiment? I'm saying that's all. Okay, Nasdaq also, it will be somewhat similar itself. Everything open negative, attracted people. Okay, after attracting people, market is moving towards the upside. So here you draw Fibonacci levels and see this will be somewhere around 0.618 level. So here even if it gives a breakout, it might correct. Okay, so sentiment again, it will turn to bearish in this market after some time. Okay, whoa, what a moment. I wanted $300. I've got $300. I'm happy with that. Whoever entered here at this trend, placing your stop loss here, if you captured additional move, if your stop loss did not trigger, then good for you. How many of you are still in trade? Do you talk about Indian market here, bro? I don't prefer to speak about Indian market because of the SEBI rules and things like that. There's a lot of things I want to discuss, a lot of things, but because of the rules, I cannot do that. Okay. See, US market after some point of time, it might tend to get bearish. What a move, traders, what a move. Anyways, after this, if I think it will be like me, I am greedy. Target was around $300 captured. After this correction, market reverse means nothing is in my hands. Okay. Now all these things is profit booking levels itself. This level you focus on. Market has reached this level. 80,000 is a psychological level. At the upper end, again, market can tend to form a flag. Okay. So no fresh bullish opportunity in the market at this point of time. So that is what we need to do. Why today is so much gap down in Indian market? Because of the Trump interest rates, the new tariff for India, it is around 26%. On Friday, somehow pharma sector, they tried, even that opened with the gap down, but they said, okay, pharma sector was not there in the list. So pharma sector, Dr. Reddy, all these stocks rallied, but again, they said they're going to consider somewhere around 10% for pharma, even that fell. So entire global market, you see, don't think about Indian market, entire global market was negative. Only now all of these things are turning positive, but again it will turn bearish. See, anyone who's having a bullish trade, this was the target zone. Okay, if you're holding also, consider 80,000 is a psychological level, no other stop loss hunting level on top. Continuously, if market keeps moving, everyone will make profit. I hope if this breakout also, if market gives, it will correct. Okay, the entire US market also, I'm saying it is going to correct. Maybe there's a possibility it will go down by 1%, 1.5%, and close. If possible, to do 1 day live for Indian market or after trade session. Sir, I really want to do Indian market, but there is SEBI rules, we cannot do that. You can check the SEBI circular. That's the problem. See, whatever update I give in the live, I speak here only. Each and every movement, whatever according to my view, I keep sharing here. So you can join the group. Here you can see market is trying to give a breakout. Existing trade people can trail, but not more than this. Okay, if it is moving, let it move. That is additional profit. Next green candle, if this candle closes green, below this candle only, the next stop loss will be there. As of now, I don't see any bullish opportunity in the global market at this point of time. Okay, is it possible? Whoa, what a great move. Can you reverse? That's all. I expect market to stay sideways to bearish because this move, all the movement market has captured. Now next possibility is a correction. Okay, so randomly whoever stop loss and all, you need to manage and plan your this one trade. See this one candle alone, how much is the stop loss? 700 to 800 points. So that stop loss doesn't make sense. So what you need to do, just the candle, switch to, let's say, 1 minute time frame. On a 1 minute time frame, you can see there's a red candle formed here. Market is there within this gap. Okay, after 1 minute, if it closes below this stop loss at this zone or little below this zone, 50% of this you keep and plan. Okay, and until and unless you get a continuation candle, it is difficult for you to decide bearish trade. Okay, at this point of time, all the bullish trade is closed. No interest in bullish trade for me, at least at this point of time. Nice movement already we captured, so rest is left to the market. Okay, traders, can you see me? Can you see me, traders? Hi, hi, hi. I just thought of showing my face. Continuation is happening. Good for the market. For me, am I feeling sad? No, because I thought target was here. Extra movement I wanted to capture. All that extra movement I would have captured, right? So no point in regretting about the move. What move was ours? $300, $350. We have got that. Rest everything is market. Whatever we see right now on the screen, it is not ours. Okay, so I am not going to participate in any bullish trade as of now. Market has given a breakout. It has sustained above this level. Whichever candle gives a closing below the red candle, placing a stop loss above that, I'll be looking for bearish setup, not bigger targets. We can try bigger targets. Market has corrected close to, moved up close to 3000 plus points, right? We can expect a correction of at least 1500 points we can try to capture. All right, so yes, okay, just thought of showing my face, hopefully. Okay, happy to know everyone captured a decent momentum towards the upside. There's no bullish opportunity. Existing trade, whatever you want, you trail the stop loss and go. That is what you can do. So that's what it is, traders. Okay, I'm happy to see you. Hope you guys are happy to see me as well. Okay, thank you everyone for participating the live stream. There's no bullish opportunity. Last time I will tell you, existing trade only you can manage. If someone is saying, okay, market is going to move up to this zone, okay, if that is the case, what you need to do, you need to wait for the next candle opening. Okay, on a 3 minutes time frame, you see this facing resistance. Okay, next candle gives a closing above this, place your stop loss here below that candle and try. Okay, but that is something like, looking at this move, we are trying to capture a moment. That is something which I don't do. For me, setup has to form. Now everyone's view is bullish, so I will not be looking at bullish setup. Okay, US market, something is happening, it's going positive 3%. Nice trapping is happening, 2.1%, 2.2%. Nasdaq, let's say 5 minutes, crazy move. This move based on price action, stop loss, even hunting, even I couldn't have predicted. This one I could predict, but not this. Okay, so wherever I don't think, if market has gone above 80,000 also, many people would have been interested, but I don't think this will survive. It might correct. I don't know if there is any positive news in the market. I usually don't trade based on news, right? So I go based on price action, stop loss, hunting. Based on that, we have captured the move. That's all, right? That's done for us. So I don't think market will sustain that much, traders. So be a bit careful. Bullish traders, make sure if you're trailing stop loss hit, don't plan for the next bullish trade. Okay, so this one you switch to 1 minute time frame now. Okay, if you want to enter bearish trade, place your stop loss here and place your target up to this zone. Okay, if that is the case, what will be your risk reward for this trade? This is the entry, this is the stop loss, and this is your target. Easy 1:2 risk reward. If market goes as per your direction, if you do not capture the move, you will lose around 400-500 points. That's very common in this market. Okay, no bullish opportunity in the market. This is the next setup. After this, you want to hold on continuation, everything is up to you. Okay, I'll take some rest, I'll have my dinner, and then I'll see if there is any opportunity. Okay, bye everyone. Thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. Good to see you. Is it making a difference me coming live? RCB match also is there. I have to go watch that. Work-life balance is very important, traders. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for participating. God bless you. Good night. Good night. Bye. 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 Bye, everyone.